Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at Kinect games for your Xbox One. So if you guys have an Xbox One S or One X, these are the Kinect games that will work. So let's just go into Microsoft Store. And from here on the top you guys will see deals and then games. Let's just go into games. And from here you're going to see a ton of games. So what we need to go is to just search games. In search games, we're just going to type in Kinect. Once you type that in, just press this. And then it's going to search for all the games that have to do with Kinect. So at this point in time, any Xbox 360 games, unfortunately, they will not work on your Kinect for Xbox One S or Xbox One X. So unluckily, they're not backwards compatible, but that kind of makes sense because the Kinect from Xbox 360 is different than the Kinect from Xbox One. So one of the ones that are free right now is this Rivals. It's just a demo. So if you guys don't already have it, download the demo, see how it is, and then maybe purchase it. Because it is $50, and at this point in time, that is kind of overpriced since Kinect's kind of dead, and people are just re-downloading it right now because we're under quarantine, and hey, there's nothing else more to do to be active indoors, so this is one of the best ways. So we're just gonna go and get. It should say free up here because it is a demo. Once we do that, it's gonna say pending. That's fine. It might start downloading for some of you. Right now it's downloading other games and that's why it's pending. So I'm just gonna go back. So you will see there's other games right here. So again, any Xbox 360 games, just don't look at those. We can see that this one's installed, for example, already. That's fine. Then we got Rivals right here, one of the most popular ones. Then we got Fruit Ninja Kinect 2, as well as these guys right here. Now, a lot of people like to buy these in bundles, so maybe not one at a time. It's more convenient, the bundle. So if you guys just keep scrolling down, you will see more promotions, such as right here. So here's a bundle, and you guys get 4 in 1. This might be better for some of you if you want to buy just a whole lot of games all at once. So just watch out for those bundles. It might make sense for you if you guys really like Kinect. Anyways, let's just go back. If I keep scrolling down, I can see more and more games. Now, yes, it is limited what you guys have in Xbox One versus Xbox 360. When it came out with all these exercising games and a bunch of stuff. Where Xbox One, it's very limited the type of games that you guys get. Most of these things are not games, by the way. These are just packs right here, what I'm highlighting right now. If I keep scrolling up, I will see more games though. So this is the whole list. That's all we can get at the moment for Xbox One. And don't expect anything new for Kinect. Kinect's kind of done. If you guys are planning to buy an Xbox One with a Kinect, and maybe that's why you're watching this video to see maybe if it's worth it, remember that Kinect, in order to plug it into your Xbox One S or Xbox One X, you do need a separate adapter. That adapter is pretty big and bulky, and it will cost you around $60 to $100 depending where you get it from. Most people get it right now from Amazon or eBay since they're kind of extinct at the moment. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.